and motor functions, and that can translate this activity into commands and actions for external devices. In addition, brain scanner manufacturing technology can also play a role in the development of artificial intelligence and machine learning that can analyze and interpret large volumes of brain imaging data, and that can generate insights and predictions about brain functions and behaviors. Looking towards the future, the potential of brain scanner manufacturing technology is limited only by our imagination and our ability to address the challenges and opportunities of this field. One key challenge is the need for continued innovation and collaboration across different disciplines and institutions to drive progress and make breakthroughs in the development of new materials, processes, and applications. Another challenge is the need for responsible and ethical practices that ensure the privacy and autonomy of patients, and that promote the equitable distribution of the benefits and risks of brain scanner manufacturing technology across different populations and communities. Collaboration and education are essential components in promoting the development and adoption of brain scanner manufacturing technology. This technology involves interdisciplinary research and development, requiring collaboration between experts in fields such as materials science, engineering, neurology, and data science. Collaboration can promote innovation and accelerate progress in the development of new brain scanning technologies. By bringing together researchers and experts from different disciplines and institutions, collaboration can facilitate the sharing of knowledge, resources, and ideas, and can promote the development of new approaches and techniques. Collaboration can also promote the translation of research into practical applications and products. By partnering with industry and commercial partners, researchers and experts can ensure that new brain scanning technologies are developed and manufactured according to industry standards and regulations, and can facilitate the adoption and diffusion of these technologies in the healthcare system. Moreover, education is crucial in promoting the development and adoption of brain scanner manufacturing technology. Education can provide the skills, knowledge, and expertise needed to advance research and development, and to promote innovation and responsible practices. Education can also promote interdisciplinary and collaborative approaches that bring together researchers and experts from different fields and sectors to drive innovation and make progress in the development of new materials and processes. This can involve the use of platforms and networks that facilitate knowledge sharing and collaboration across different sectors and stakeholders. In addition, education can also play a role in promoting responsible and ethical practices in the brain scanner manufacturing industry. This can involve the development of training programs and courses that promote the ethical and safe use of brain scanning technologies, and that foster a culture of sustainability and responsible practices. However, collaboration and education also face challenges, such as the need for continuous learning and upskilling, and the need for collaboration and knowledge sharing across different languages and cultures. Therefore, it is important for collaboration and education to adopt a flexible and adaptive approach that can respond to changing needs and priorities, and that can promote collaboration and knowledge sharing across different sectors and stakeholders. By doing so, collaboration and education can play a critical role in promoting the development and adoption of brain scanner manufacturing technology, and in preparing the workforce for the challenges and opportunities of the future.